Welcome back. When I had the interior ripped out of this car, which was the most dirtiest, disgusting interior I've ever seen, I kept finding all of these labels for left-hand drive, Treves, UK. And I'm like, where is this car made that ended up in the United States? So, to my surprise, it was made in England, in the UK. Now, we've got more than a few Hondas in my family, and it got me wondering, where did all my other cars come from too? So I had to go see. My '06 Ridgeline. Made in Canada, eh? My daughter's HRV. Hencho in Mexico. Scrap Junior's '08 Element. Made in America. My 1991 Prelude SI. Konnichiwa, made in Japan. All right. 5 different cars, and they came from 5 different countries. I would have never believed it. So, where do Hondas come from? Apparently they come from everywhere. So look where your car came from, post it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up, click the subscribe. Thanks again. While this is in the shop, we got a couple little odds and ends to do to this original paint, low mileage car. 44,280 miles. And I've had this car since 2015, and I'm just about to crack 700 miles on it myself. 698. I've never reset the odometer after I first bought it, so got a couple things to do to this. Come back and watch some videos on this car.